How to listen to own audio songs on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can listen to your own songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, listening to own songs on Spotify means that there are some of the songs that are downloaded on your device, on your local files, and you want to listen to them from your Spotify app. Well, you can do that. For that, all you have to do is currently, if I open up Spotify and if I go to library, it will only show me the songs that are actually available inside of my own Spotify app, not the ones that are in my phone as well. So if I want to listen to my local audio files from Spotify, first of all, just come to the home page here. Then just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. As I tap the gear icon from the top right, I just need to scroll down until I get to the option called local files. So just let me look for the option called local files over here. And as I actually look for the option called local files, which would normally be at the bottom, here you can see it says show audio files from this device, add tracks from this device into your library. All you have to do is just turn this toggle on. Now once you've turned this toggle on, you can just come to your library by tapping the your library icon from the bottom right. And this time, if you look at the very top, you'll find a new section that says local files, and you can see in my case it says 122 tracks, which means I have those much amount of songs downloaded on my phone and I can listen to them now on the Spotify app. And this is simply how I can listen to my own songs or my audio files from my phone to my Spotify app. I hope the video was helpful. If it helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.